Good morning. So this one is just a video. So just want to show people how to use the OBS Studio. So the one that I have is the OBS Studio 23.2.1. You can download this one for free. So once you open it up, and then you'll see that these two boxes right here is supposed to be blank. So for the second box, the sources, you can select that. A lot of things you can select here. So you go to the plus sign. So you can either check that audio input capture, audio output, so on and so. And then the one that normally I do, it's called the display capture. So the one that you want to select, it's the display capture, which is this one right here, right between color source and the game capture. So select that display capture. So here's what we got. But I already have one going on, so let me just delete this one here. Okay, so for the display capture. So the good thing about the display capture, so let's say that you just want to minimize the window. Well, whatever that you shows on the desktop here, on the window, so it just shows that on your recording screen. Okay, so let's say that you want to do like a PowerPoint. So just minimize it, and then it shows up right there as well. Or you want to do like any kind of programming. So what I do is like a Promethean software. It's called the Active Inspire Studio. So this one you can just point out or display any PDF file or any PowerPoint. And also you can do like writing on this one if you have like a drawing tablet. So you can do that as well. So let's see. So like this one right here. So showing the student how to verify the trick identity. So you can write things on here. So it's pretty convenient. Okay, so another thing that I can do. Another thing you can do, so let me set up the new screen for this one. So let's say that you want to do the one for just for like a window capture. So window capture just specifically point out for one of the window that you want to display to the audience. So here's what you can select for the window. So let's say I want to select the one for the PowerPoint. Okay, so let's see. And also this one you can always maximize or minimize the screen, the one that you want to show. Okay, this one's too big, so just make it a little bit smaller. Again, this one you can always drag it. Just make it to the right window that fits whatever the wheel that you want to see here. And then make sure that you need to press that transitions, so that's showing the exact same thing. Okay, so let's just minimize it. Well, that just shows the window, so let's change that a little bit. So scene 3. Again, I want to do the window capture. So for the window capture, you want to go to the window and select the one you want. So I want to do the PowerPoint, and it's called the 4.3 logarithm. Okay, so okay, let's try that one more time. So delete all this first. There's so many windows open. So just remove the display capture. Again, over here I just want to go to the plus sign, and then this time again window capture. And then for the first bar right here, window. Okay, so choose the one that I opened it up already. So the one that I opened up already is 4.3a, the logarithm PowerPoint. Okay, so this one's kind of weird, shows nothing. Okay, let me just adjust that window title. Well, if this one doesn't show, if that shows a blank screen, so you probably want to just reopen the PowerPoint and then do it over again. So normally this one shows like a PowerPoint, and you can just change that and it shows right here. Okay, so let me go to delete all this, start it over again. Let me try that one more time. So I want to set up the new scene. So let's say this one is scene 1. And then you want to go to the plus, and then, well, there's so many things you can do. Video capture, if you have a camcorder. Let's do the window capture. Again, the bar right here. So select PowerPoint. Again, somehow this one shows like a blank screen. Okay, let me select something else. So if that's just a window capture, so let's say that I want to do the Active in Studio. Here we go. So whatever that you open up already, so it shows on the display. But before you record it, make sure that you need to go to transition and the program. So here's what the audience is going to be able to see here. Okay, so whatever that you want to do, so it shows that on your video. So once you're done with the recording, so you just press that stop recording, and then you want to check what you just recorded. You go to the file and then show recording. Okay, so show recording. Okay, so let me go back to the display capture. So you'll see what I'm doing here. So once you just go to file, and then show recording, you'll see that the video that you record here. Okay, so just open it up, and then whatever that you want to do, you can do like a video editing afterward. And then whatever the video that you record, you can put up to like Google Classroom. You can put it to the YouTube channel or any kind of internet, lecturing interface that you have. Okay, so thank you for watching the video today.